And I didn't know who Ravi Dubey was. Based on an audition, we took him.
Matsakand has that potential. That is something that collectively all of us felt even while we were engaged during the filming process. I remember Ajay sir once said while we were doing our workshops and readings, कहते हैं कि वो बाकी जिंदगी कुछ करते रहो और फिर कुछ कांड जैसा करो. At that time it was called Matsakand at the time.
मैं इसके बहुत सारे सीजन देख रहा हूँ बिकॉज ये कहानी अब इंडिया को पसंद आ गई, देश को पसंद आ गई. अब वो इस गेम में देश जुड़ गया, देश इसको वेट करेगा और देश इसको सीजन बाय सीजन को एंजॉय और इसमें एंगेज रहेगा.
So hi everyone, we at Midday.com are very excited to have the team of Matsakand today. Of course, Ravi Dubey, director Ajay Bhuyan and producer Deepak Dar. So please tell us firstly, what are the reactions you guys have been getting for the show?
So I'll tell you the happiest reaction I got is somebody from Pakistan has messaged me on Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah, there's like, sir, we like Matsakand a lot and especially the Mahabharat part. So I was pretty elated that somebody from Pakistan is enjoying our show. Yeah, so that is pretty exciting for me.
No, I'm most excited because very recently my mother-in-law has seen the show and she loved it. So I'm happy because she's happy. So and everybody within my closest proximity is very happy. It just is testimony to the fact that it has a very large audience base. The young are loving it, the elders are loving it. So I think we are getting showered with a lot of blessings of all sorts of people. So that's a great start.
I'm just kind of lucky to be at the on the hoardings and everywhere. So that's why. But basically, I'm only getting praise for the work that the entire team has done. So I'm just lucky to kind of hog all the praise, but it doesn't really belong to me. It belongs to everybody who's made the show. It belongs to Deepak sir. It belongs to our director Ajay sir. It belongs to Ravi Bhaiya. It belongs to Piyush ji and all the technicians who are a part of it, which is a total of around 180 to 190 people. I would love to take all of their names, but then you'll just kind of cut that out.
That's the long list, yes.
There are projects that have the potential to become your legacy as an artist, as a maker as well. Matsakand has that potential. That is something that collectively all of us felt even while we were engaged during the filming process. I remember Ajay sir once said while we were doing our workshops and readings, कहते हैं कि वो बाकी जिंदगी कुछ करते रहो और फिर कुछ कांड जैसा करो. At that time, it was called, it wasn't called Matsakand at the time. And do you remember saying that, sir?
Yeah, I remember. I remember very vividly.
We are all very, very, very grateful for the explosive response that's come the show's way.
Deepak, sir, do you want to tell us how did the idea firstly, how did the project come about?
Initially, I must say that this was being developed between Ajay and Gautam Tanwar and his team. So, they've been really at it for much before I came on board, and then when I got the whiff of this project and this story, I quickly lapped onto it that, I really wanted to produce it and I want to really participate in, collaborating in trying to take the story forward. So, the genesis of the idea started between Ajay, Gautam and the writing team. And, it was such a rooted story and, like a con drama, I think was also a very vacant space that was, being, I think it had to be taken by somebody. And I'm glad that we as a team grabbed that and, really set the bar very high in that genre. So to speak, and I think along the way, the team came along, and then we went to Ravi Kishan, we went to Ravi Dubey, it was, when you're at it, you don't know you're making something good or something will work or something will not work. You have no clue what is happening. You're just investing time, money and energy. You're pouring everything into it at a very early stage, not knowing where it's all leading. But, I firmly believe in the fact that you have to get the process right, leave the result for a later date and a later time. But if your processes are right, I'm sure we'll have the right desired effect. And I think we are blessed to have a great team of writers, the direction team under Ajay. We had a great marketing support from our platform, our colleagues at platform. They really, painted the town red with this. So, it's been a dream effort. I think the relentless passion of both the Ravis, you can see in the show. Piyush Bhai, who's a great artist, and his inimitable style is something that's very magnetic. So I think it's been a great journey for all of us.
And Ajay, of course, I have to ask you about the cast because the casting,
Yeah.
was bang on. So please tell us,
Yeah.
how did you?
It was an arduous process. It took us at least 3 to 4 months. So
Okay.
we took around 2 months to cast Matsya. And I didn't know who Ravi Dubey was. I mean, no offense
Okay.
to Ravi, but I love him. But I had no idea, which helped. It was an audition. I told that, I don't know who Ravi Dubey is, but if he does well in the audition, then it's good. So then, based on an audition, we took him. Ravi Kishan sir was at the last moment. So we were searching for somebody who could stand up against Ravi, who had that persona, the charm, the magnetic appeal. Basically, he needed to have passion. I was looking a lot. Again, he was the last person to be cast. So it was a long process, but well worth it. I think half my job was done when it was cast right.
And Ravi sir, of course, a lot of praise coming your way as well. So please tell us, aap kaise jude this show se?
Yeah, all thanks to Ajay ji because credit goes to him. Bani J, MX Player ne socha and they thought ki, quite surprised for me also that I'll get an offer from MX Player and Bani J, a role of a cop who's eccentric, who's smoking, who's drinking, who's got a long beard, who's got long hair, wearing a leather jacket, jeans. So all this Ajay ji's thought. He conceived and he created this character. He wanted that swag. He wanted that look, that come bole, to talk less and more. He gave me that built up, So that built up had this catch me if you can game go intense bana diya. Ki now what if he Tejraj ke haath mein if he come Matsya come? What if Matsya haath mein aayega? But now Matsya is trapped and Tejraj को cold-blooded cooking a food और उधर वो club का owner उससे बात कर रहा है and suddenly he just shoots him in a second. He says मेरी बीवी का नाम मेरी पत्नी का नाम नहीं लेना था और बहुत ही उसका cool and cold-blooded and a cop who's वो criminal की तरह सोचता है. So I will give entire credit to Ajay ji, the director of the show. Everything, जो भी, if I've been loved and liked, इतने समय से मैं वही था. मेरी आवाज भी अच्छी लग रही है, ये भी अच्छा लगा, रवि दुबे भी अच्छे लग रहे हैं, हम लोग का शो अच्छा लग रहा है. Because the team, इनका AD team, इनका DOP, इनका production, everybody was synchronized so well. So they used to not waste time. And you'll be surprised that, कम दिनों में एक वेब शो 100 days में होता है, mostly 120 days or 80-90 days. I'm shooting some other shows also. तो वहां पर समय लगता. But I'm very happy कि all my fans and मुझे नए fans और मिल गए. और me being a member of parliament, उसके बाद भी सबने ये नहीं मुझे सवाल किया, सबने एक किरदार के रूप में लिया कि आप एक कैरेक्टर कर रहे थे. और मुझे पार्लियामेंट में भी अप्रिशिएशन अपने दोस्तों से मिला. और मैं को जितने मेरे वहां पर दोस्त हैं पार्लियामेंट्स में, जो मेरे मित्र हैं या जो, सबको बहुत अच्छा लगा. सबने बहुत इसको एंटरटेनिंग एंगेजिंग समझा. और एवरीवन जिसने भी वो फ्लाइट हो, लाउंज हो, ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ, कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में हो, पार्लियामेंट में हो, जो भी मुझे मिल रहे हैं, लोग बोल रहे हैं सेकेंड सीजन कब आएगा, व्हेन द सेकेंड सीजन. और अजय जी ने एक बहुत अच्छा थॉट रखा था कि वो मेरा हाथ पानी से निकाल दिया एंड देन द गेम ऑन. सो मुझे लगता है जो मुझे दिखाई दे रहा है विद दिस टीम विद सेम फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड, ऑल द एनर्जीज व्हिच आर देयर राइट नाउ, वेरी पॉजिटिव. बानी जे हो, MX प्लेयर हो, एवरीबॉडी, रवि दुबे, एवरीबॉडी. मतलब हमारा स्पॉट बॉय भी कॉफी सही टाइम पर लेके आ जाता था, इतने इंटेंस थे सारे. तो ये सारी एनर्जीज अगेन वी गेट टुगेदर अगेन, हम लोग दोबारा, गॉड विलिंग सब अच्छा रहा. तो मैं इसके बहुत सारे सीजन देख रहा हूँ, अनलिमिटेड सीजन देख रहा हूँ, बिकॉज ये कहानी अब इंडिया को पसंद आ गई, देश को पसंद आ गई. अब वो इस गेम में देश जुड़ गया. मतलब ये कैच मी इफ यू कैन गेम और ये टॉम एंड जेरी और पकड़ने वाला और कॉन एंड कॉप का जो गेम है, इनको देश को बहुत, इंडिया को बहुत पसंद आ गया ये. और वो जो चूंकि मास को थोड़ा बहुत जानते हैं हम लोग, तो अब पता है कि अब नाउ देश इसको वेट करेगा और देश इसको सीजन बाय सीजन इसको एंजॉय और इसमें एंगेज रहेगा. इफ गॉड विलिंग ऑल वेल, बट थैंक गॉड दैट एंड धन्यवाद आपके द्वारा समस्त ऑल दी ऑडियंस, ऑल द फैंस, सब लोगों को, देश को की थैंक यू फॉर रिसीविंग in such a beautiful way. Matsya को बहुत साइलेंटली इतना बड़ा ब्लॉकबस्टर कर दिया.
And Ravi, of course, we have to ask you about your transformation, and of course, you had to put in a lot of time. Being an actor, that's not easy because you're doing multiple projects. So how did you kind of do that, pull that off, really?
There are commitments and there are commitments. There are projects and there are projects. There are projects that don't necessarily involve you to push an envelope, and there are projects where you have a massive opportunity to push one. I think as artists, whether it is myself, I can speak the same for Ravi Bhaiya as well. The greatest opportunity is one where you have an opportunity to first of all push an envelope. So when the fact that the character had to engage in prosthetics, I remember the first time I saw someone with prosthetics in the Indian entertainment industry, it was Kamal sir in Indian. And I remember being completely blown away by what I had seen. That, somebody could, in front of your eyes, transform himself into an unrecognizable face. And, it would require him as an actor to have a completely different body language, a completely different dialect to even pull the fact off. So only prosthetics will not be able to do the job. So I may have been incapable when I started shooting for it. But the very fact that this required me to become better at my job. I think it's the show that has, and the project that Ajay ji, Deepak ji, Gautam sir, Namesh, Vibhas sir, they have collectively designed has made all of us look capable. I don't know. I only have gratitude and more gratitude. And I kept telling everybody that whatever envelope it is required to be pushed, if we require to create 30 hours in 24 hours, we require to create 100 days in a month, let's go all chips in and all guns blazing. And as Deepak sir, keeps saying, that be relentless, so no other way forward like that. So we're grateful that it's been received the way it has been received. Just very, very grateful. Also, one thing I have it in my heart, I'll just put it out there. I think, I mean to offer infinite gratitude that, anybody in the world could have been chosen to play this character. It would be a great gift. I think an actor would be completely out of his mind to reject a role like Matsya. A role that has so many layers and such an emotional graph and such an intellectual graph as well. Thank you for truly democratizing talent. I would like to thank Deepak sir, and I would like to thank MX as well, because because of the place that we come from, which is the television space, there is a certain amount of judgment and perception bias, a negative perception bias which is there. I owe them infinite gratitude because they looked beyond that bias and they chose to get me on board. And like I said, anybody from anywhere, they could have got anybody from Hollywood to play it. Anybody from Bollywood to play it, the biggest of the names. And, the show could have had much bigger perception than it had if a big name from the film space was playing this role. But they still chose me. And with utter humility, I intend to, and using your very public platform, I intend to offer my gratitude that they chose me. Thank you so much.
And Ajay and Deepak sir, we have to ask you about season 2. Now everybody is talking about it. So please tell us, what are your plans?
So we are writing it as we speak.
Okay.
And the ideal scenario would be we should be out before this year ends. That's the ideal scenario, but let's see how it goes. But we are on it.
Like Ajay said it, we are on it. But at the same time, the fun in the writing and the giving it the time and the process needs to be respected. And for us now, it's a collective responsibility to take these characters in the best possible way to the next level. So obviously we are not sparing any effort, at this writing stage. Like I said, this is a slow process, and we've seen this even in season 1. It is a journey of more than about 2 years that we are sitting today and celebrating the success of it. So we are taking it one step at a time now.
All right. Thank you so much for doing this, and congratulations, of course.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Natasha. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.